Good morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. 1 minute till market open. 1 minute. I didn't do any pre-market this morning without you. Kind of show you what I'm left marked up. We got some different levels of resistance. I think there's one up here too on NASDAQ. Let's see what happens today. You'll be mine. Hey, baby girl. Look at you. You got a little crown in the chat. Anybody watching? Hey Paige is actually my daughter. As you can tell, hi Dad. She streams on YouTube, makes some really good content, so make sure you check her out too. Love you, baby girl. You're a top fan. Look at you. #1 fan. Look at. You can come here. Just stand over here. You want to say hi? She's officially out of school.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Good.
You get to go for one party?
Yeah.
Look at you, top fanning it up.
Yeah, I got a notification that you were.
What, baby girl?
I got a notification that you were going.
Did you? Every morning. That's what I do.
I'll start looking at
I stream to YouTube and trade.
Is anybody else on there?
Huh?
Is anybody else on there?
Every once in a while we get people. You're the only person. I have people watch my videos afterwards, but you gotta think, I've only been doing this for 4 days.
4?
This is my 4th stream. You're on the 4th stream, baby girl. Woo!
I gotta go down the stairs.
All right, you going downstairs to watch your...
Yeah.
Okay, I love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
I'm gonna keep commenting.
Okay. Pride and joy, kids, man. I'm really enjoying this time we get to spend at home with the kiddos. I'm gonna turn my mic down a little bit. All right, what are we doing today, market? Let's go check out NASDAQ. Ooh, we had a big move up. All right, let's see what's going on with NASDAQ over here. What a move. Alright, on my one prop, we just hopped on. Yeah, get this move to the upside. Kind of show you where I hopped in on this other screen here. This is a new prop firm account through Take Profit. Hell of a move. $2K. Let's close it up. Perfect. 1,400 on the day. Perfect. One down. All right, let me move this back over here real quick. Where do we close this out? Let's see. On the 10. Came up, hit this gap.
As a dentist and a mother, I have to be one step ahead of my kids to protect them.
I almost think this might retrace this.
Pronamel Kids provides 2 times stronger enamel defense and 24-hour cavity protection that their precious enamel needs. Pronamel Kids.
Working across teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it. Asana AI can spot roadblocks and assign work to keep everything on track. That's how work gets handled. Visit us at asana.com.
Well, we get some more momentum to the upside. With that long pip, I feel like we can, but see if we get some volume to take this over. Here's my other account. See if we can catch the end of this move. Still a good amount of volume up there. See if we can get it turned. Bring it down just a little bit under that. Ooh. Where's my phone at? It stopped us out. Oh, I don't know where my phone went. Hold on one second, bud. I'm trying to find my phone. Just had it. Dude, am I going crazy? Oh, duh. Lost my phone, chat. It's retracing some of this movement here. Yeah, so we're taking back all that position. So the 15-minute looks like. If we can get a closeout higher than this one, I'd be interested in getting back into this. I want to see where this closes out though. Two minutes. But if it pushes below this, I don't. Let's widen our stop a little bit. We'll go 8 units. Yep. I can't hear that. What? Alright, let me lock in real quick, okay? I love you. This retest of this zone looks good. I feel like if we get 2 greens, we could push higher again. Lost about 500 here. 5 minute, we're still. I feel like this zone's just gonna skyrocket us again though. Let's see if we get a change of character here. We get a closure up here. Come on, keep the push down. So what I liked here is we got a lower low, lower low, lower low, and it just, I just hope that this isn't the bottom here. How we just stopped on that, like that. But I feel like we're gonna retrace all this. We were in a very bearish downtrend prior to this morning. It's nice we caught that one little move though. As soon as this runs, we're gonna bring our stop down immediately though. Just because it's extremely volatile this morning.
Isn't severe enough to deal with. What if I told you Sensodyne has a...
Sorry, that's damn ads on the free music. Copyright free music on YouTube. Gotta love it. Alright, let me turn this back on. There we go. Oh, we need some short energy. Let's go, baby. We need 3K. Let's get this ready. Let it get down to this level again. Let's see if we can get down there. Don't do that. We don't like that. So volatile this morning. Yep. So volatile. That's all right. Alright, we're going to be patient the rest of the day. Let's wait it out. We got one win on the one. Alright, let's be patient. All right. Yeah, I think this just wants to head higher. I was trying to play the move, each move, based on this zone here, but I feel like we can push through this. I feel like we can push through this. We've been there before. There's definitely buyers in this market, but up that high, so let's see what we can do.
There's a reason I trust my shopping list with Shipt. Shoppers with Shipt know that no order is ordinary.
I feel like we got in a really good spot, though.
They double
God,
check labels.
why is there so many ads on this morning? Sorry about that, guys. I went a little smaller on this one just because I feel like this could be a little dangerous. Trading is always dangerous. What am I talking about? I think the 5 looks really good. We'll definitely retake this, and then it still has enough momentum to get back up through here, so we'll see what happens, right? That's what trading is. Calculated risk, calculated decisions, with a little bit of hope. Nothing really alarming on the 1 minute yet. I'd like to see some momentum, though. It had some really good momentum. A couple of these candlesticks are really good, and it's like the sellers are like fighting for their life up here, it feels like. So I'm hoping that the buyers are going to win this fight. Let's get that move. We've been consolidating. We got a little bit of momentum here. Let's just get that move to the upside. That's better. Let me fix my screens. It's a good, healthy upside. You can watch right here, too. Let me do something. Just checking my portfolio real quick. Come on, let's push through there. Let's push through that, come on. I believe in you. I believe you will rise. Come on. You're so toxic today.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special.
You're being toxic today, NASDAQ.
From those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
There's so many sellers in this little area. That's the fucked up part. Come on. That 29,000 mark is tough, man.
You probably think Squarespace is just for websites, but you can also get a domain.
It just does not want to break through this.
Like
it's literally 29,000. That's where we keep tapping out at.
RugbyRingers.com for your rugby league, or Weird Burpee Cult.
It's weird how full numbers like that will do that.
Whatever your dream.
This literally says 10 hours lo-fi, no ads. I love you, baby girl. Let me know if you need anything. We need some volume down here. Come on. I think this thing's gonna build up, build up, build up, and then burst. I really do. We had that nice little burst off this morning, but it just, when am I gonna catch it? Did I, I'm trying to get in at that right moment where we have a movement, and then it's a retracement, and then another movement up. As you can see, we got in right here, but it was a retracement. And then we had some more momentum up. It's still just consolidating this area. There's a ton of fighting going on right here over this price. Oh, I love you, baby girl. You're so sweet. It's a little bit of FOMO in this morning. Yesterday was just such a downward trend that, like, with all the positive news and stuff that we've had lately, I really thought we were just going to have a skyrocket back up to all-time highs. I had this marked up here. This is where our target was, where I thought we were going to get to, is 29,243. We need to get saved by a big candlestick to the upside. We might be fucked here, fam. But I believe. You gotta be positive. Manifest this. We're going to the upside. I believe in you. Ton of volume. Push. Come on. Come on, baby. Mm. Oh, it's brutal out here, fam. That hurt. And see, then we're going to hit off this. You'll be mine. You'll be mine. Nice little move. This could be a nice reversal here if we can down to this level right here. Or this one. That's really where the move happens. Getting some market orders here. This should reverse up. This market's all over the place today. Look at the... Ah, it's so weird. It's just gonna push lower and lower and lower. But we're getting a ton of orders at the bottom here. You can see this. That should drive price back up. So we wait for a nice, clean reversal candlestick. I'd like to see that on the 5, though.
Zyrtec presents Zyrtalk with scientist Andy.
Did you know grass pollen is one of the most common allergens in the world? But you don't need to let it get in the way of your outdoor activities. To help relieve allergies to grass, you can wear a mask when mowing the lawn, wear hats, gloves, and glasses to prevent contact, avoid spending time outdoors if pollen count is high, so that 7 a.m. tea time is A-OK, and of course, take Zyrtec for your allergy symptoms.
Thanks, Andy. find Zyrtec at your favorite retailer.
Is this about to close out? 2 minutes? See if we can catch this downward move. Come on. Let's keep pushing. All right. Hopped in this one. All right, let's get it back. Good push, good push, good push. Come on. This is about our break even right now. So I'm gonna bring this down, trail this. There we go. Good little stop out. Nice little win. What resistance zone do we have right here, though? See if we can get another push down.
Since adding pork
It's all right.
meals into my weekly routine, not only have I saved hours on meal prep, I've actually been eating healthier and staying consistent with my nutrition goals. Fill your body with real food that heat up in just 2 minutes, and they have no preservatives and no seed oils.
Whole foods that actually taste incredible.
I highly recommend prioritizing your health with Forkful.
Alright, we're gonna go a little bit smaller on this one. Let's get a little bit smaller. She's still got it in there. She's still got a ton in the tank. This is a good move. This is a healthy move. It finally made up its mind. I told you it was gonna dump. It was just I didn't know which way. And we took a couple L's. All good. For love of the game, right? Sorry my energy's down today, man. I just didn't sleep well last night. Market's stressful this morning. Just gotta stay positive. Study your emotions. This could be a little retracement like it was up here. Just consolidate and to continue to go lower. It could reverse. I like that. Come on. Come on. Push some more. Got a ton of good. Come on. What are we doing? We got 11 seconds left. You can kind of see the roll off. So I need to see something lower than one of these. Or we might close this out early. I really need to see one lower than one of these. I need to see a new low before I'm confident about this. Come on. Come on. We need to close out. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Yep, a little bit lower. See? I still like it. We're still in the trend. We're still in the trend, and it's healthy. This is normal. Come down here, grab a few orders. I want to bring my stop loss down, but I want to see where this closes out. Alright. 5-second push to the downside. Let's go. Down, 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 down. I don't like how that shot back up and closed out up there. I'm going to take a little bit here. Don't do me like that. I want to let this run, but that's alright. That's alright. I knew we were going to get some serious reversal here. I did not expect that, though. We still have a gap, though. This could be a good spot to get back in. We're gonna get back in. Fuck it. I feel like it's still got some in there. You still got some in the tank. You still got some in the tank. I believe in you, baby. So, yeah, there's a gap here. 15. Could be a good size 30 here, depending on where this closes out. Four minutes left on the 30. I think we'll hold this 15-minute pretty good, but there's a way smaller one down here that we'd have to bust through. But I think we can get through that. Like, we've already pushed through this. That's why there's resistance right here, is this. But we made a gap for support. So, it's a really good look for, like, a long push to the downside today. I mean, it's got a ton of signals of, like, hey, 10:30 in the morning, we made our move, it's an hour in. Everybody's going to start pushing that one direction. So this one's on, let's put this one on the 15 too. And that's part of that 15 is this. So you got 2 1 minutes right here. We blew through the 1, but that wasn't a, I don't know, I feel like this 15 is going to hold really strong here. I hope so. That's the plan. And I don't mind this little build-up because I think this is building that momentum to go lower. I really do. We've had a really good move this morning. You know, we had that spike higher right away, and then it was like, it kind of wanted to figure out where it was going, and then a double move to the bottom. But it could also reverse here and go right back up to the top of where we had that spike earlier. I mean, I've been seeing the market's just been unpredictable lately. Especially today. Today's been really volatile. Alright, so we blew away that 1 minute. He's like, fuck that 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get some sellers that step in to fight this move. Oh yeah. Yeah, sellers are stepping in there. You can see it on the volume chart. That's a really strong volume move. Let's see if they can hold it though. Come on, sellers. Come on. Let's see if they can take back control. Yeah, they're steadily. And you can see it on the volume chart. The red, when you don't see this mark move, but the red is going up, you know there's a lot, the sellers are coming in. You can see this is a heavy spot for the sellers. Let's just see if they can hold it. It looks good though, for the most part. We got several signals that says that this should go further lower. Let's just see if it can follow through with it. I would love it to. I want to see us get through this gap. I would love to see us get through this gap. There was a gap here.
The sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
I'm gonna need a good workout after today. Fuck. Yep, grab some liquidity up there. And let's fucking bounce lower.
Mix up your cat's mealtime with the Meow Mix playlist.
Mix up your
Meow
cat's
Mix has wicked
mealtime.
soundtracks for cats to jam out to.
I should be
Great
getting paid
beats
for these
and
ads.
tasty beats.
I'll probably copyright my fucking channel for the ads while I'm listening to copyright free music. The irony. Let me see, do we have any news coming out? Pending home sales. It's probably what caused this move. We had that at 10 a.m. Was that released yet? That is probably the result of this. 100%. We got to break this gap. That was a nice move there. Let's see if we get some shorts that step in. Oh yeah. Nope. They came back in. If you watch this right here, the thicker of each color, if it's green, that's, I mean, there's more buyers, more sellers. Hmm. Hmm. And just bounced off that 1 minute gap? Really? Interesting. What's the 10 minute looking like? Just kind of chopping around in this little area here.
This is your brain when you're struggling to focus.
Whoa. What's that? I just look.
Switch it up a little bit. It could ricochet off this. I mean, it's healthy. I mean, that's a... Could be just touching the spot again, and you know, and that was a strong move here. Very defining. It's like, hey, we're definitely should be down there. You know, that's why that 15-minute gap's here, because these two moves were strong. Put y'all to sleep. for an entry on this short. Second closure. Let's see where this closes out at. Seconds. Come on. Move this back up. That's a good move. I should have got it in earlier. I didn't expect that move like that, but a lot of these orders like this is this should be a really good move. We might get a little retracement at first, but this could be a big one. This could be the one we were waiting for, the consolidation to go lower. Yeah, good red bar. Finish out this hour and a half session. A rough one. There's days like this.
That feeling when you check your bank account and your paycheck's days away. And of course, your calendar's all good news. With Chase Secure Banking, your
Weird to not see any bubbles down here.
up to 2 days faster.
So, I mean, that's typically a good sign. You get a good candlestick with no market orders.
There's no monthly service fee for 17 to 24.
We should be able to push this pretty low. Once I start seeing market orders, I'm probably going to start looking for an out, like a clean exit. You got some left in your tank? Come on. Come on, baby. You got some left there. You got some left in there? Come on. Come on. You got enough to get through this? So, it's a pretty strong gap down there. I think we got enough. I think we got enough push after all this. This consolidation, I think we got enough to break through this. Nice healthy gaps, no market order bubbles. Let's see where we're at. We hopped in that entry a little late. We're gonna bring our stop loss. there a 5-minute gap on here yet? We got a minute till 5 closure. I'm gonna bring it down to this point. We're getting into that resistance now. This has been a heavy resistance point right here. Right at that purple line. It wants to like bounce off this area, so this is a point where like I'll kind of watch this last one here, see where we close out at. But this is a point where I'm like really skeptical about. I don't see any market order bubbles. Like, there's really no like definitive in this little choppy area, but it's okay to have a little retracement on a big move like that. Thank you, baby girl. I love you, Haley. Hanging out. I'll be down there shortly. You got about 10 more minutes. Or until this trade's done. Blessed. Blessed, guys. Blessed to be able to be at home with my kiddo. Blessed to be able to do this. Blessed to have a supportive girlfriend. Blessed to have... I have 4 kids. She has 2, I have 2. 3 boys, 1 girl. So Haley's the only female, little female running around. Let's see what we're looking like here. Alright, took a profit there. I wasn't sure about that move. Down here. Should have got out in hindsight. That's 3 today. We didn't get out in time. But it's not giving the signals. So, we learned some stuff today. We learned. You've got to adapt. You got to adapt to the market. Alright, we're going to call it on that. Make it on for an afternoon session, but you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.